Back folks, Deutschland, yeah. It's roaring now. Well, got the stove going real well now. All it took was a little bit of the Ancaster news. And some fire starter stuff here that I have a package of right over here. It's not as good as some of the other stuff I got from the dollar store, but it'll do. Seems to be doing the trick right well. There's the front view there. So it's all going up through the stovetop pipe there. The outside out towards the one there. I got it a little bit bundled up now, so not feeling lightheaded or dizzy, so don't think there's any carbon monoxide leakage. Not that I really noticed as a smoker, but yeah, so starting to warm up in here now. Got my little tool holder here. This stupid thing, the battery died on me. I can't believe it. Just as I was setting up the stove, so it lasted just long enough. Gonna replace the battery. The level on that there. This thing's died on me too. I don't know if it's a cold one or something. It's not really giving off much more. Kind of petering out. So won't be doing any torch songs tonight, that's damn sure. So yeah, we'll let that burn out, and then yeah, maybe I'll try taking like a power nap or something like that. It's only to tend to the fire, but I'll go chop up some more wood. Yeah, the hatchet there. I don't want to get too close to the stove, so. I think tomorrow night, if it's not too cold, I'll cook a meal out here, have some chili or something. Have some chili, because it is chilly outside. You get the wind blowing. Stupid thing. It's hanging up there, rattling the whole time in the wind. But at least it's a nice little awning to keep me sheltered from any precipitation. Yeah, there's all the instructions there in German on that side. There's a lot ball cooker that you can see here. All these instructions are in Cyrillic. So that's not very helpful now, is it? I mean, yeah, it's kind of like an IKEA diagram. You can sort of figure it out, but yeah, I don't understand what the hell he is. It's completely different alphabet. Solid ration. So, yeah, gonna cozy up the place tomorrow, I think. I'm gonna try taking the snooze because I've got the yoga mat. I've got a little blanket here to add a little extra layer of warmth there, doubled up, sort of. Yeah. And yeah, this is down to minus 10 degrees, I think, so probably a little warmer. Sleeping bag. I got another one just like that. So, yeah, the only problem is the dimensions of this is like, okay, so I got a bit of space over there where I could set up a shelf and maybe bring the laptop out and do like a live stream or something. Webcam. Got my little fire starter in place there, but this thing, because it's right there, I don't have a whole lot of space. It still takes up a lot of space, so where I'm sitting here, I can turn around, right in the corner where I'd be sleeping, so I need to maneuver some things around here. There's another hatch to open up. It's more airflow in, and you can hang stuff from here, like dry your socks and shit. So, oh, it's getting nice and toasty now. I'm gonna have to take off my coat, but I don't want to have the same problem before, where I'm like Del Griffith, John Candy's character, and Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, where I'm getting it caught up and everything. So, yeah. It is definitely cozy. And now that the fire's roaring, it's getting quite warm in here. So I'll bring a thermometer in tomorrow and check the ambient temperature before and after type thing, and outdoors as well. And we'll see what's what. So without further ado, Deutschland is signing off. Peace out.